How to set up the parental controls on your iPhone or iPad. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. There are multiple ways by which you can set up parental controls on an iPhone. So let's get started. First of all, head over to your settings. Then scroll down and find screen time. For the step 1 or the method 1, you have to set the downtime. Downtime limits when the device can be used. So tap on it and then turn on the scheduled option. You can even customize the date and time of the schedule by setting up the start and end time as well. Then after tap on done and you're good to go. Likewise, another method would be setting app limits. For this, tap on app limits option, tap on add limit button, and this way you can choose categories and set time limits. Then tap on Add or Next button. Likewise, the third method would be setting up content and privacy restrictions. For this, go to the screen time page and tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. After tapping on it, you can turn on the option. From here, you can go through each category and prevent installing or deleting applications option. Also make sure to click on Require Passcode for additional parental guideline. So these are some of the methods by which you can set up parental controls on iPhone. That is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button.